upset that they woke up from their nap.
What happened? Did you wake yourself up? No, you are so very grumpy.
It's not that serious.
¡El cielo se cae, hijo chico little!
Hi, how you doing?
Who would you save in a burning building, me or Kenzie?
You?